I know you have a crazy amount of ambition and impossibly big dreams, and I know you can get caught up in that. So my advice to you.
My advice I'd give to my younger self.
Hi guys, what I would tell my younger self.
So advice I'd give my younger self.
Don't let the personal life and the personal irritations and the experiences affect your school life.
You're gonna find a lot of moments where you can't exactly talk to people about how you feel. And that's okay.
Don't feel the need to grow up too quickly. Always try to keep that, childlike wonders alive as long as possible.
Is to actually focus on school, because in grade 8 those are the fundamentals that you learn and you'll use that throughout your whole career.
Always be present. Every single conversation matters. Even if it doesn't seem valuable in that moment, it will come along and it will matter.
Enjoy the journey. Celebrate the small victories.
Be kinder to yourself.
Although you should care about everyone around you and help them as much as possible, don't forget to do that for yourself as well.
Breathe, you know what I mean? Slow down, take your time. Take care of your mind, take care of your body, take care of your spirit.
The thoughts and critiques of other people do not define you as a person, and that's no reason to change who you are.
I know grade 8, 9, 10, 11 drama may feel like the end of the world, may feel like everything is crumbling down on you, but it's really not. So work hard, dedicate yourself to the goals you want to achieve, and don't let the things that don't matter.
Take time to really breathe and almost take a break from your work and do something that you'll feel that after you've done that particular thing, whether it be reading or sport or even playing chess, make sure you do that and come back and you'll be more refreshed and ready to work. So just maintain that balance.
In grade 9, I was told I was going to fail. And that was like the biggest slap in my face, I think. Because from that stress, I managed to turn my school life around in a way. And stress can be good because it can get you to get your stuff done, but too much stress is bad. So advice I would say is stress less, relax more, and work harder.
Enjoy those moments and take them all in. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, because in the end everything works out and you'll be fine.
Friendships and family are so important, because in grade 8 my best friend left and moved to Amsterdam, and I thought my world was going to crumble down. However, I learned to become independent, and I learned to make new friends and also adapt into new environments.
As long as you're still trying and doing the best you can considering your circumstances, I promise each and every one of you, you're not a failure, you're not failing, you're fine.
In high school, a lot of things are probably going to change for yourself and the people around you, maybe the situation you're into. And with that change, you might lose things or people, and you might gain them too. So appreciate what you had for what it was, and appreciate what you have whilst you have it.
Don't take life so seriously. You literally only live once.
Don't let a failing grade define you. There's going to be good tests, there's going to be bad tests, but don't let that hold you down. There's always time to improve. Don't give up.
Don't be afraid to be who you are. Show yourself more to everyone, and you'll be surprised how much more happier you'll become.
Also, go out of your comfort zone to talk to new people. Don't just be content with one group of people. You should get out of your comfort zone and make new friends.
I know I could have been greater if I started earlier. Keep it up, focus on it, work as much as you can. Don't let outside fun dictate your schoolwork. Create a space between the two, but keep education as a high focus for now, because soon enough you'll be able to do your own thing.
Opportunities don't happen in life, you create them. If one thing I can ask you to do is to follow your passion in life and do what you love. Keep family close and friends closer.
Don't be in a hurry to grow up. I would say this because you think that life is really short, but really it isn't. You go day by day, and I know it seems hard, but trust me, once you get to the finish line, it's way worth it.
Working hard now will make your life easier later. As well as, don't be afraid to ask help and ask questions.
It's very important to ask questions if you don't know something.
It's part of the process. If you fail a test here or there, you can't really put yourself down, because the entire part of it isn't the fact that you failed the test. It's the fact that you're going to grow from that test.
To try your best and reach out. Learn everything that you can. Of course, be diligent, be focused on school. But in your free time, learn as much as you can. Take every passion that you have and try push yourself to the limit, because you have time.
I would tell myself to not be afraid to embrace these experiences and instead to use them to grow as a person and to learn from.
Don't overthink every little thing because it will all be over soon.
Just study for the exams in grade 11, and yeah, I think you'll be alright.
Yeah, keep loving yourself, bro, because if you lose that, you lose yourself, and we don't want that. We have big dreams.
Find your passion, experiment, find what you love to do, and put your all into it. Because once you do that, you can chase a dream, and you never know what may come of it.
So the advice that I would give my matric self is...
Hello, matric self. So, my advice to you is...
that I know you have a goal that you want to achieve, but it's okay. There'll be some bumps along the way and some hurdles that you'll have to face, but you'll end up right where you're supposed to be.
Enjoy it. It only comes once, it will never come back again.
Don't let boys make decisions for you.
Live the most authentic life that you can live. Show up every day with your best self. Be the best version of yourself that you can be, and never allow anyone to dictate who you are and what you will be and what you want to become.
I think you have to work less, but consistently. Because if you work consistently, you're not cramming and having to do huge amounts of catch-up. So you will manage the workload better.
Trust your yeses and trust your nos. And yeah, you have good people around you. So have fun, do what you need to do. Take some time to sleep and to rest.
Be as organized as you can. Planning is all. One of my favorite statements is, those who fail to plan, plan to fail. So, right from grade 8, start planning. Plan your day, plan your tasks, plan your studying, and make sure that you develop a work ethic and you put all of your planning into place, and you will never ever go wrong, not at school or when you move into the workplace.
Stanley, Mark, Thurkel, Hibbert, it's time you wake up and work. There's only a few months left of this year. If you work now, you're gonna make next year and the future years of your life so much easier.
Since the last year, I think, my advice is just to work hard, extra hard. I think you just have to work harder than you've ever worked, for the past, how many years from primary that you've been here?
Work hard, meet their deadlines, engage with the teachers, trust the process. And I feel that they all have the skills and the abilities. If they do those few things and work hard, they will be able to get a good matric, and I know that they will have a bright future ahead of them.
You're reaching towards the finishing line, and just one more push. Make it count. I think that's what I can say.
Cut out the sugar earlier and enjoy your hair while you have it.
Is to be better at planning and time management, because it is absolutely crucial, because once you lose that ability to manage your time, you become stressed and almost paralyzed, and that's what I tended to do when I was stressed. So I think time management and better planning is the way to go with everything.
And I have come up with two-word pieces of advice.
Yes.
They both basically mean the same thing. The first is grow up. And the second is get serious. Okay?
Ngifuna abafundi bami basebenze kanzima. I'd like my matric students to work very hard.
Stay on top of your work, don't procrastinate, but also have a life.
Don't give up socializing, don't give up exercising. Those things are important. They help you keep your mental state in a good state.
Past papers, past papers, past papers, past papers, past papers.
And definitely look forward to a very hard life after this.
If you don't put in the work, you will not get the results you're looking for. So basically, no pain, no gain.
I think it's the best time of your life. You have to remember to have lots of fun, to balance your life, play sport, party hard, work hard, and just enjoy Matric.
I'm just trying to remember what I said.
Okay, it's recording.
Don't take life too seriously.
There we go.
The best advice, okay.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Big T, back with some advice.
The result, oh yeah.
You just started the video saying the advice I'd give to my matric self.
How much is that? I feel like I need a prop or something.
Okay, ready? Tell me when to do it. Go.
Oh, wait. Mr. Garcia, what advice would you give to your matric self?
Okay, I have given this some thought. Would you like me to
Evaluate, please.
Okay, you want me to develop that?
Yes.
Okay.
A few moments later.
The only time I was sent by a teacher to the principal's office was in my matric year.
Don't you think that's ironic?
In a sense, it certainly is. Yes.
6.5 hours later.
For history and biology, and I got straight A's in both. And I thought, okay, well, you're bright enough. You don't have to work at anything. That's
2,000 years later.
I read a novel that was assigned to us when I think I was in class 11, which I read the first chapter of, and I just tossed it on the table and I never went back to it.
3:28 a.m.
Okay, that's all the time we have for today. So.